Hi, Lulu. Oh. Hi, nice to meet you again, Lulu. Okay, so can you still remember me? Okay, I will introduce myself. I am teacher Manilyn. I am from the Philippines. And your name is? Okay, nice to meet you again, Lulu. Hi. Okay, so shall we start our lesson? Okay, so let's go. So our lesson is Dick Whittington and his cat too. Okay, so previously you learned about this, the part one of this story, right? Okay, that's good. So who is this, Lulu? The- and okay, very good. So where do you think they're going? Where do you think they're going? Where are they going? Wow. Okay, Lulu, very good. But again, I'm gonna ask you, is this your first time for this course? Is this the first time for you to take this course? Yes. Okay, so this is just the continuation of lesson 5. Okay, let's go, Lulu. Okay, Lulu, by the way, do you have a cat? Just like Whittington? Do you have a cat at home? Oh, that's great. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, do you remember the people or animal who appeared in the last class? Do you still remember them? Can you still remember their names? Okay, this one is. Okay, very good. How about this one? Okay, very good again. This one. This is the cook. The cook. Okay, he is the cook. Okay, very good. And this one here, who is he? Do you still remember? He is the okay, or he is the sailor. Okay, very good. Here's your first star. And who do you think is the last character? Do you still okay? Can you guess the last character? Or we will proceed so that you will know later. Okay? Okay? Okay, so let us remember to know the name of this character later. Okay, Lulu, let's go. Okay. Oh, Okay, so I'm going to click, or Stucky will click its ball, and you are going to narrate or recall the content of the previous story. Okay? Can you do that? Okay, very good. Okay, now what is being shown on the first crystal ball? Can you connect these words here to form the sentence, or okay? Okay, or very good. Okay, Dick Whittington. Okay, you repeat after me. Okay, Dick Whittington and his cat decide to go to London. He wants to be rich. Okay, very good. Next crystal ball. Okay, now can you describe what happened next? Okay, very good. They walk for 3 days, and London is a big city, but there is no gold. Very good. Another star for Lulu. Third, crystal ball. Oh, what happened there? Okay, so can we say it in a sentence, in a complete sentence? Dick, Dick find work in the kitchen. Dick, the cook is always angry. The cook is always. So Dick runs away. So Dick. Okay, very good. Last crystal ball. Okay, very good. So Dick meets a sailor and he sells his cat to the sailor. Okay, very good, Lulu. Great job. Another 2 stars for you. Okay, let us proceed. Okay, let's read. Okay, so Dick is sad. Why do you think Dick is sad? Why do you Why is Dick sad? What happened to his cat? What happened to his cat Lulu? Because Dick is sad because where is his cat? Because he sell his cat to the sailor, right? Okay, again, why Dick is sad? Dick, Dick is sad to the. Okay, very good. One star for you. So again, he is sad because he sold his cat to the sailor. So he's not with his cat anymore. Maybe he missed his cat. Okay, so that is why he is sad and walk away from London. Okay. Okay, Lulu, can you click can you click the word bell to reveal the bell? Bells. Okay, come on. Where is the word bells? The red. The bells in red color. Here. Okay, and you drag it to the bell to make it larger. Okay, thank you, Lulu. Very good. One star for you. Okay, kindly read, Lulu, the sentences. Bread, bread. Cheese. Whittington. Okay, very good, Lulu. Very good. Okay, so the bell, it seems that the bell is calling Dick to go back to London. Okay, can you still see the cat here? Yes or no? No. Where is his cat? Where is now his cat? Is with the. Okay, very good. His cat is with the sailor. Very good. One star again for Lulu. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so, okay, so what did the sailor tell to Dick? Clever, clever, clever. Fantastic, fantastic. Catcher. Okay, so can you click, Lulu, the word fantastic mouse catcher? Oh, so that's the cat of Dick. So when we say fantastic mouse catcher, he's very good in catching mouse. Okay, so here is the mouse. Okay, Lulu, what did the sailor give to Dick? What did the sailor give to Dick? Okay, can you say it in a sentence? The sailor give. Very good. The sailor gave Dick many gold or lots of gold. Okay, another star for Lulu. Oh, are you sleepy? You're sleepy, Lulu? Okay, let us proceed. Okay, so that's okay. Okay, let's proceed. Okay, so what? Okay, now can you click the word amaze? Oh, so that's Amaze is very happy. Why do you think he's happy, Lulu? Very good because he has many gold. Great job. So he is now rich. He has a lot of gold. Very good. Okay. Then clothes, clothes, clothes. Maris, Maris, Alice, Alice. Okay, very good. So he marries. Can you click the word marries? What does it mean to say marries? Can you click it? Okay, so there you are. Okay, so they are married now. So this is Dick. And what is the name of his wife? Of his wife? Who is this girl? This is what's okay. So this is Alice. Very good. Another star for you. Okay, let's proceed. Oh, Stacky is always walking. Okay, so Lulu, this time I want you to look at carefully the picture because we are going to answer the questions here, okay? Okay, let's go. Okay, what is question number one? Can you read the question? Okay, so where does Dick decide to go? Okay, so what is the answer? Where does Dick decide to go? In? A very good. Dick decide to go to London. Okay, again, Dick decide. Okay, very good. Now, number two question. Who walks to London with Dick? Who walks to London with Dick? Very good. Great job. And can you describe, Lulu, the picture? Can you describe in one sentence? What are they doing? Dick and his cat. Can you describe the picture? Dick decide to go to. Okay, let us check. Okay, very good. That's right. Okay, can you read it again? Lulu, can you read this again? Very good. One star for you. Next, Lulu. Okay, take a look on the picture. Now, where does Dick find work? Where does Dick find work? Okay, very good. Dick finds work in the kitchen. Very good. How is the cook? Is he kind? Is the cook kind? No. Why? Why do you say that he's not kind? Because look at the face. Is he happy or angry? Very good, Lulu. One star for you. So he is not kind. He's always angry. Okay, can you read the description of the picture here? Kind. Kind. Okay, next. Okay, another picture here. Why does the sailor want to buy a cat? Why does the sailor want to buy a cat? He wants. Okay, he wants a cat to catch mice. Again, he wants a cat. He wants a cat to catch mice. Okay, very good. Very good. Does Dick sell his cat? Does Dick sell his cat? Yes, he does. Very good. Now, can you read the description here? Okay, very good. Next picture. Okay. Why does Dick go back to London? Why does Dick go back to London? What did he hear? What did he hear? He hears bells are calling him back. Okay. Then do you think the bells really called Dick? Yes or no? Okay, yes. So can you describe the picture? Okay, very good. Okay, I think this is the last picture. What does the sailor give Dick? What does the sailor give Dick? Very good. Great job. And for that, here's another star for you. Now, why does the sailor give Dick gold? Why does the sailor give Dick gold? What is the animal that Okay, yes, very good. Because his cat is very clever in catching mouse. Very good, Lulu. Now, can you describe the picture? Ah, clever, clever. Okay, very good, Lulu. Another star for you. Okay, I think there's one more picture. Okay, this is the last picture. What does Dick buy after becoming rich? What does he buy? He buy. Okay, he marry, but he buy new clothes and big house. Again, he buys new, new clothes and big house. Okay, very good, very good. Now, who marries Dick? Who marries Dick? What is the name of this girl? Thank you, ma'am. What is a, a pretty young woman called? What is the name of the girl? Do you still recall the name of the pretty woman? Is the name of this woman Lulu? Okay, what is the name of this woman, Lulu? Ah, ah, Alice. Okay, very good. Again, what is the name of the pretty woman? Okay, very good. Now, can you describe the picture? Dick called, called. Okay, great job. One star for Lulu. Okay, let us proceed. Now, we are going to retell the story, the entire story, by describing the picture in one sentence. Okay? Okay. Okay, so can you describe this based on the previous slides? Dick and his go. Okay, great job. Okay, now what's the next? Okay, Dick finds work in the kitchen. Good job. Great job. Okay, then the third. Okay, Dick sells his cat to the sailor. One star for you. Next. Okay, Dick decided to go back to London. Yes, and what happened next? The sailor. Very good. The sailor gives Dick many gold. And Dick marries. What's the name? Okay, very good. Just 1 star for Lulu. Okay, this is the last Lulu. Okay, so let us read. Let us retell the story from 1 to 6. Okay, let's start. Lulu. Okay. Kind. Kind. Clever. Clever. Okay, and the last. Okay, very good, Lulu. I'll give you your last 4 stars to make it 20. So you now have perfect 20 stars, Lulu. Great job. Okay, so it's time for your reward. Okay, Lulu. Can you can you click? Okay, can you click the same pictures? Oh, wow, so fast. Oh, and here's your reward. This is Piggy. Okay, congratulations, Lulu. Okay, so Lulu, did you enjoy our lesson? Did you enjoy? Okay, so did you enjoy our lesson? Yes, that's good to hear. So, Lulu, so since we are at the end of our lesson, I'm gonna say goodbye for now. Goodbye, Lulu. See you next time. Bye. Okay, bye-bye. You can take a rest. You can sleep now if you're sleepy. Bye. Thank you. Bye. Bye.